Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to the Orange Web Group channel. I'm Vanessa, and I'm super excited to have you here today. We're going to talk about something super important for your website's success: on-page SEO optimization. Don't worry, I'll break it down in a way that's as easy as enjoying a cup of coffee at your favorite cafe. Imagine your website as a cozy coffee shop. On-page SEO is all about setting up your shop so it's inviting, easy to navigate, and everyone can find exactly what they're looking for. Let's brew up some SEO magic. First off, what is on-page SEO? On-page SEO refers to all the things you can do directly on your website to help it rank higher in search engines like Google. It's like setting up the interior of your coffee shop. You want everything inside to be just right so customers have a great experience and keep coming back. Think about it this way. If your website was a coffee shop, on-page SEO would be the way you arrange your tables, the way you write your menu, the signs you put up, and the overall vibe you create. You want to make sure that everything inside your shop is perfect, so customers, or in this case search engines, can easily find what they're looking for and enjoy their visit. So, just like a well-organized coffee shop, your website needs to have a clear structure, great content, and everything in the right place. Let's talk about the key elements of on-page SEO, and I'll show you how to set up your website for success. Let's talk about the key elements of on-page SEO. Think of these as the essential ingredients for running a successful coffee shop. 1. Title tags. 2. Meta descriptions. 3. Headings. H1, H2, H3. 4. URL structure. 5. Internal linking. 6. Content quality. 7. Image optimization. 8. User experience, UX. 9. Mobile friendliness. 10. Page speed. Title tags and meta descriptions are like the signs outside your coffee shop that tell people what's inside. Title tags. Imagine your title tag is the signboard of your coffee shop. It should be clear and catchy, like "Best Coffee in Town." It should include your main keyword and be under 60 characters so it fits nicely on search result pages. Meta descriptions. Think of meta descriptions as the aroma of your coffee that wafts out to attract passersby. They should be a short, inviting summary of what your page is about, including your main keyword and under 160 characters. For example, enjoy the best coffee in town with our wide variety of blends and cozy ambiance. Headings are like the sections of your coffee shop menu. They help organize your offerings so customers can easily find what they want. Headings. Use only one H1 tag for your main headline, like "Welcome to our coffee shop," and use H2 and H3 tags for subheadings like "Our coffees" or "Our pastries." This hierarchy helps both users and search engines understand the structure of your content. URL structure. Your URL structure is like the address of your shop. Keep it simple and clear, like coffeeshop.com$bestcoffee instead of coffeeshop.com 123xyz. This makes it easier for search engines and users to know what your page is about just by looking at the URL. Internal linking is like guiding your customers to different sections of your shop. Internal linking. Link to relevant pages within your website to improve navigation and help visitors find related content. For example, from your coffee blends page, you might link to "Our brewing methods" or "Coffee origins." This not only helps users, but also tells search engines how your pages are related. Content quality. High-quality content is like serving the best coffee. Make sure your content is valuable, engaging, and includes your main keywords naturally. Aim to answer your customers' questions thoroughly. For instance, if you're writing about coffee brewing methods, explain each method in detail, share tips, and maybe even include a video tutorial. Optimize your images by compressing them to reduce file size and adding descriptive alt text. This not only improves page load speed, but also helps search engines understand your images. Image optimization. Just like you want your coffee shop photos to look great but not slow down your website, make sure your images are compressed so they load quickly. Add alt text, which is a short description of the image. This helps search engines understand the image and improves accessibility for visually impaired users. User experience, UX. A good user experience is like a welcoming atmosphere in your coffee shop. Make sure your website is easy to navigate, visually appealing, and free of annoying pop-ups. A positive UX keeps your customers happy and coming back for more. With more people browsing the web on their phones, having a mobile-friendly website is a must. Mobile friendliness. Use responsive design so your site looks great on all devices, like making sure your coffee shop has comfy seating for everyone, whether they're on a laptop or a smartphone. Test your site on different devices to ensure it's user-friendly on all screens. Page speed. Page speed is crucial too. Use tools like Google PageSpeed Insights to identify and fix issues that are slowing down your website. Think of it like making sure your coffee is served hot and fast. No one likes waiting, so make sure your site loads quickly to keep visitors happy. And there you have it. By focusing on these on-page SEO elements, you can make your website as inviting and efficient as the best coffee shop in town. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to us at Orange Web Group. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.